Coming to the new anatomy topic, that is lymphatic system. We are right. So what is lymphatic system? Lymphatic system is a network of vessels, organs and tissues that helps your body to maintain the fluid balance, to fight the infections and to absorb fats from the digestive system. So it works closely with the immune system as well as the circulatory system. So lymphatic system basically protects your body against the infection and it also maintains the fluid balance. Now what are the parts of the lymphatic system? Lymphatic system, the first part is the lymph. See, the first part is the lymph. What is lymph? Lymph is a clear fluid which contain the white blood cells. Okay, especially lymphocytes are present, then proteins we have, waste product we have and fat particles. So lymph is a clear fluid which flows in the lymphatic vessels. What is lymphatic vessels? Lymphatic vessels, thin tubes that carry lymph throughout the body. See, these are all the lymphatic vessels, okay, which carries the lymph. Now coming to the lymph node. Lymph nodes are, they are small bean-shaped structure. Can you understand? Bean-shaped, they are small bean-shaped structure. Sorry. See, these are the small bean-shaped structures and that filter the lymph and trap the germs. So these are the lymph nodes. I think, see this round, these rounds are the lymph nodes. Okay, common locations, they are in the neck. See here, in the neck, in the armpit we have this lymph nodes and we have here in the groin area. Okay, so when someone gets sick, तो these lymph node they swells. क्या होता है? ये swelling हो जाती है इनके अंदर. Coming to the big organs. Big organs में आपके क्या क्या होते हैं? Major organs में क्या क्या होते हैं आपके? Tonsil, spleen, thymus और bone marrow. These are the main. तो coming to the tonsils. See, these are the tonsils. So they help trap the pathogen which are entering through the mouth and through the nose. Now coming to the spleen. Spleen जो है ये फिल्टर करती है ब्लड को एंड रिमूव द ओल्ड ब्लड सेल्स. कमिंग टू द थाइमस. सी, दिस इज द थाइमस. थाइमस क्या करता है? इट हेल्प टी सेल्स टू गेट मैच्योर. टी सेल्स जो है हमारे इम्यूनिटी में काम आते हैं, उनको ये मैच्योर करता है. दस इट हेल्प्स इन इम्यूनिटी, to maintain the immunity. Then coming to the bone marrow. Bone marrow, it produces these immune cells, right? Okay, so these are all the parts of the lymphatic system. Now what are the functions? See how it helps is fluid. What happen if from the capillary, these are the capillaries, from the capillaries the fluid leaks right into the tissues. So excess fluids they enter the lymphatic vessels. lymphatic vessels में चला जाता है. फिर lymph travel through the lymph nodes for filtering. वहाँ पे lymph node में जाके ये filter होता है और clean lymph जो है वो return to the blood stream. So function इसके होते हैं immunity या immune defense. This system what it do? It detects and destroy the bacteria, viruses and all the abnormal cells, right? Drainage of tissue fluid means it prevents the swelling. Swelling को से बचाता है by returning the excess tissue back to the excess tissue fluid back to the blood. Third is the fat absorption. Fat absorption में जो है special lymphatic vessels in the intestine they absorb the fats. ठीक है, dietary fat को जो डाइट से फैट आता है उसको ये absorb करते हैं. Now important points are thoracic duct is the largest lymphatic channel. So this may be asked in exams. Which is the largest lymphoid organ? Lymphoid organ जो largest होता है वो कौन सा होता है? Spleen होता है. अब हम इसके जो है if we study some disorders like आपने सुना होगा lymphaedema. तो lymphaedema क्या होता है? lymph flow रुक जाने की वजह से जो edema होता है या blocked lymph flow की, that is lymphaedema. और जो infected lymph nodes, ये lymph nodes है, अगर ये infected हो जाए lymphadenitis. अगर इसी का कैंसर हो जाए then it is called lymphoma. अगर inflammation of tonsils हो जाए it is called tonsillitis. So these are the common disorders. Okay, so lymphatic system it basically looks like the body's drainage system also or secretory system also. It removes the extra fluid while protecting against the diseases. So this is all about the lymphatic system. In the next chapter we will see the next system then that is the neurology or the nervous system.